Introducing the 2024 Jeep Avenger 1.2, a powerhouse on the road with only 5,000 kilometers under its belt. This stunning grey Jeep with a 1.2 litre engine runs on petrol, boasting a manual transmission for that hands-on driving experience. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning, this vehicle is packed with technology to keep you safe and comfortable. Rest assured, this Jeep has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, pixel.com, for more details. Upgrade your ride with the 2024 Jeep Avenger 1.2 today.